Want to download songs directly to your phone using Chrome without any apps or complicated steps? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step method to download songs easily on your phone using Chrome, so you can listen to your favorite music anytime, even offline. This method is simple, safe, and works on both Android and iPhone. First, open the Chrome app on your device and make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth process. In the search bar, type Pixabay and tap on the first website that appears, which offers copyright-free content you can download for free without worrying about legal issues. Once the site opens, swipe left on the home page until you find and tap on the music section to access the available songs. Here, you will see a list of various songs displayed with different moods and genres for you to choose from according to your preference. Pick any song you like from the list and tap on the download icon next to it to start downloading. If you have a specific song in mind, you can also type its name in the search bar on the site to find it quickly. After selecting the song, choose the folder where you want to save it on your device for easy access. Now, open your Files app and check the Downloads folder, and you will see that your chosen song has been downloaded successfully and is ready to play whenever you want. In this way, you can easily download songs on your device for free, and that's it. Thank you for watching.